our homage.
The Bonsu President Mr. Monjil for organizing this such a good event, and also very glad to meet all the student generation from different part of Northeast, from KSU. Brother Donald Thapa and his team, and from GSU, Brother Momin and his team, and from Dimasal, Brother Mairan and his team, and all the Assam Student Union. I have to thank, and very glad to meet here, and also very glad to meet with our chief guest, Mr. John Inki Khatar, and all the dignitaries and all the guests of honor and special guests. Actually, in our Northeast, we are facing a main problem. There is illegal migrants. As many speakers have said about our state, my state, Twipra. Being an indigenous people of Twipra, we are facing many problems in many ways. It might be in jobs, it might be in any services, or in every part. In Twipra, every day the illegal migrants, they are entering towards Twipra. In our own state, with Twipra become minorities. Before, our state was ruled by king, like your state. Before, this is a condition of our state. We are not safe. Even today morning, when we were discussing, I have told the brothers from different student organizations, we feel secure when you come outside of Twipra, then be in Twipra. If you go to the city, Nagartala, all the shopkeepers, all the business holders, all the trade holders, all the merchants are Bengalis. We have to fight for our Roman script, for our language. Few days back, we have done an agitation, 2 days strike. But the state government, I think they are blind, they are deaf. The state government, they say we are communal. But actually, they are communal. They are playing with our student lives. This month, 17th. And 21st of this month, there was a board exam, CBSE. Our language, kokborok language, we are demanding for the Roman script as a state language. As brothers from Mizoram, brother from Nagaland and brother from Meghalaya, they are writing. So we are demanding for that issue. It was a long pending demand of Twipra Student Federation, TSF and the people of Twipra. Last year they promised they'll give an interpreter or a translator in every exam hall. But this year, same thing. Last 17th of March and 21st of March. After the hesitation, no reply. So, I only want to pass a message, and I'm requesting all my dear brothers, all the student organization from different parts of Northeast. If not, sometime we have to choose Subhash Chandra Bose also. We should be a state unity. You should be united all over the Northeast. In every state, we are facing this illegal migration problem. Not only Bengalis, some other tribes are also entering now. In different states, different illegal migrants. We have a 6th schedule, but no power. We don't have direct funding from the central. The fund comes to the state, we get a fund from the state government. And even the revenue, without revenue, no development. So at last, I just want to say, we should stay united. We should go for a great movement all over Northeast wide. By saying these few words, I stop my speech. Northeast Student Organization, Longleaf. Thank you.